Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to be opening some cars today, which is the Teslas. It's the color red, and it's also Model S plaid. Fully charged and ready to roll. Some Hot Wheels made of injury do play. Some of this line here. So this is the Tesla Model S plaid. Also, it's the color red. Cool LED lights, spoiler on the back, Tesla Model X, Tesla Model S, painted, also it's a Tesla. It looks like the same spoiler from Tesla Model X, but it's the same. This is a Tesla Roadster. Not for ages sequenia. Also it's a sports car, but it's not the same as the other one. Cool headlights. Cool lights on the back also. Underneath it, this is Tesla Roadster GVX 33. Also, on the back, it's pretty. So let's open it now. Tesla Model X, cool LED lights, interior, color the plate of the car is black. These have like sport car windows, tires, go very fast. So, also it has a roof on the top of the vehicle.
It's called panoramic roof.
It's called panoramic roof.
Sunroof, yeah.
Sunroof.
Yeah. It looks like you got two Tesla. You want to compare next to each other?
Yes.
You put it on. Oh, that looks so cool.
This is an Infiniti QX80. Also, the description on the back here. Lamp freeze. This is not a Nissan brand, but it's an Infiniti brand. So Nissan was compared to Infiniti. So now let's open it. Also, it's Infiniti. Headlights. Cool interior.
Oh, that looks so cool. Yeah, it's so real. Can you show me the seats inside the car? Oh yeah. Can you show the dashboard?
Yeah.
The back of the car? Yeah. On the side?
Also, it has
Moonroof.
moonroof, but not that large.
Yeah. Can you show the front of the car? Yeah, it looks like a real Infiniti QX80.
I could change it to all the ones. This is a 1948 wheels Jeepster. Jeep. It was made in 1948. It was the oldest car to be made. The back of it Also, it's for climbing mountains. It's to me like hill climbing mountains also.
That's a cool looking old Jeep. It's a classic Jeep, right?
It was made in the past century.
Yes.
In 19th.
Probably 1970s, 60s, something.
Yeah, it's
Can you
way
show that in the camera?
Put it way more closer.
Yeah, that looks so cool. Oh, look at the interiors inside. I like the classical looks of this.
Back of it.
Yeah.
In the front. The wheels.
Yeah. I like it.
This is a Mercedes Benz 30 SL. Let's see that well. Matchbox. Descriptions. Amazing. Knack made for it. Seat for 5. I like the red interior that's inside. I also like the white that's on the color of the car. So, hope it does anything about that. The Mercedes-Benz looks a little bit old, but it's also like a
What's the
sport
model?
version.
What's the type?
It is a Mercedes.
Can you flip the car? There should be a model number on it. Spin down, flip it the way around. Yeah.
I know it's like blocking the color of it.
Okay.
I like the white. I really like the interior of it, all red. Tires. The headlights. And also the front of the car. It's a Mercedes. Also a new 19 GT's car. Please like and subscribe. Have a good time. And also, don't forget to hit the like bell. And also, you can join us in our app.